All right, good morning, everybody. So I'm here in Las Vegas for one night. I'm on my way out to California, but I wanted to give you a tour of my room because I'm staying at the Sahara, and I booked this place online, Airbnb. They're actually on Airbnb. $50 a night, which is pretty good for a resort hotel on the Strip. But I got an upgrade. I got an upgrade to a suite, a penthouse suite. So let me show you this because it's very nice and it's the nicest hotel I've ever been in. Nicest room I've ever stayed in. Here's the door. All right, you come in the door. There's a nice little bathroom here. All right, pretty nondescript. But then you walk in and you have a full-on couch and a table. You can have a full-on dinner here, or a family meeting or meeting. Nice big flat screen TV. Those curtains, I'll show you that view in a second, but those curtains overlook the Strip. But look at this. That's pretty nice. You have a big old couch in here. I feel like I'm in one of those mobster movies where you are having a meeting and you're plotting someone's demise. Nice little coffee bar, a little bit mess. I had coffee, but you have a nice little mini bar with the refrigerator and all the fixings. But this here, and this is a separate door, so this door leads in the bedroom, so you can actually close this. All right, and we're coming here, and then this is the bedroom, which you can see the bed. About pretty big sized bed. Another little thing here. TV in the room. Nice little table, a work table here. But let me show you this bathroom. This bathroom is huge. This is a master bathroom. All right, look at this. They have this over here and a bathrobe there. Nice, very sink. Look at that. And look at the shower. The shower is awesome. Turn on the light. Look how big that is. Of course, they have little bathrobes here for you. That's the shower, and then you have the toilet over here, which is kind of small, but it's pretty. It's still nice. And then this room overlooks the Strip. I'll show you the view from the Strip. It's not nice now that it's not lit up. But you can come over here. You can see the Las Vegas Strip. So across the way is Circus. Some hotels on there. There's the Sahara. You can see the mountains in the distance. That's pretty scenic. That's Las Vegas Boulevard right down there. That's the main. That's the main drag. Cute gift shop over there, and right around the corner, you can't see it. Right around the corner is the Strat. It's at the very end of the Strip, so it's away from everything, but still, it's pretty nice view.